Hello, family. What's up, Cosmo? Oh, hi, little girl. Man, you guys just came running up like I had some food. Girl, you look pretty pregnant. Look at that. Yeah. Thank you, old Apollo. How you doing, little girl? You gonna let me touch you? A little bit. What's up, Fatty? Fat Cosmo, the midget. What's up, bud? How you doing? There's old Nevy down there. On duty tonight. She goes out in the woods. Chases all the critters off. What we got over here? Silly chickens. Bless you, whoever that was.